In today's video, I'll teach you how to book cruise on Carnival. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar, type in carnival.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Carnival. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now from the home interface, you'll be able to book a cruise. Over here, you'll be able to find various options over here. First of all, what you have to do is simply search for the cruise. First of all, select the destination. For that, click on this option, Sail To. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option of your choice. Once you do that, also select the destination that you're sailing from. Click on this option, Sail From. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option of your choice. Likewise, also select the date. Click on the field of date. Now you'll be able to select the date. You'll be able to select the months over here. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now once you do that, also select the duration. Click on the option of duration. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option of your choice. Now after you select for all the options, what you have to do is click on this option, Search Cruises, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to find the results. Simply select the option of your choice. You can also see the informations over here. Click on this option, Show Date. Now you'll be able to see all the available dates over here. Find the date that you like the best. Once you do that, click on this option, Start Booking. Now you'll be able to start booking the cruise. You'll be able to add the rooms over here. If you want to add the rooms, click on this option, Add Room, and you'll be able to add the room. You can also increase or decrease the number of guests. If you want to increase the guests, simply click on the plus icon. If you want to decrease it, simply click on the minus icon. For this cruise, you'll be able to book up to 3 rooms and 5 guests per room. So simply click on this option, Continue. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you'll be able to qualify for a special rate over here. First of all, select the country of residence. Likewise, what you have to do is select the state of residence. Once you do that, if you're 55 plus years old, you can check on this box. If you're from military or if you're from promotional programs, you can check on this box. If you want to add the VIFP club number, simply check on this box and add the number. If you need the accessible room, simply check on this box. Now after you do that, click on this option, Continue, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to select the room category. You'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like balcony, interior, ocean view, suite. Simply click on the option of your choice. Explore the rooms. Once you like the room, click on this option, Select Room. Now you can see over here, your room will be assigned at a later date. If you want to choose your room location, you can click on this option, No, I want to choose my room location. Otherwise, click on this option, Confirm. Now finally, you'll be able to see the cruise summary. You'll be able to see the room that you selected over here. Likewise, you'll be able to see the itinerary. Also, you'll be able to see the number of rooms that you booked. You'll be able to see the total over here. Click on this option, Continue, to check out. Once you do that, you'll have to enter the traveler information over here. Confirm the information, enter first name, last name, date of birth, gender, email and phone number. Also enter the VIFP number. After you do that, click on this option, Continue, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see your information over here. Simply scroll down. Now what you have to do is select a payment method. You'll be able to see various payment methods over here. Select the payment method of your choice. Complete the transaction, confirm the booking, and the cruise will be booked for you. So that is how you book cruise on Carnival. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.